Hi everyone. Once again I'm humbled by how honest and how professional people are around here. When I bought this van, in all fairness, I didn't check it that much. I knew it's going to need welding, but the guy who sold it to me produced such a statement. I've replaced the left sill, and he said he replaced the wheel arch as well. He's done enough damage to show it. Apart from the damage though, he didn't do that much. As you can tell, there's a little bit of a problem by here, and all this as well. If you look from the inside, it's even better. See? He's done the outer sill without actually touching what was left inside. Now, I've seen bodges before, but this is good, honestly. I'm surprised with that. It's Saturday. I was supposed to just, get a couple of holes welded. When I went for pre-MOT, the guy said, look, there's a hole in the wheel arch, you have to weld that up. Okay, fair enough. So I was going to do that, and it was supposed to be just that, but I'm not going to leave it like that. So that's one thing. Underneath it's quite solid. That's what happens when you don't take the wheel off, and with the new stuff they put on the roads, it's flaking off everything. Anyway, I think, if I remember correctly, there was one, I will need one rubber for the exhaust because it perished. I will need to weld another small hole on the front, and I need to put some stuff on the back. The suspension's been replaced, but it's starting to look quite ropey, so before it gets worse I'll just get it done, because it starts to get flaky. See, if you clean it off and you put some protection on it, it should be fine for the next couple of years. But if you're going to leave it as it is, it's going to go worse. So anyway, something that was supposed to be just a quick few patches. Saying that, it wasn't quick few patches because it's got quite a gap over the other side as well, so I'll need to do both. But still, it was supposed to be just 2 holes to weld up, quick Saturday job. It's going to be the weekend plus whatever it's going to take to get it all done. So lovely. Again, the most annoying about this is that I was supposed to start with this. Literally next week I was supposed to start stripping that. There's something coming, I'm going to show it. There's going to be an announcement probably the end of next week, and you're going to see what's coming in. But yeah, that was the plan, to start with the Beetle and start stripping it, start welding it. But obviously now I'm stuck with this. To be honest, I can park it somewhere and just leave it for a bit, because I didn't expect that much on it.
A few inches later.
I don't know if you can see it, but it's more than just a small hole. The other one he mentioned, in all fairness, he's been tidy, saying that it's only a couple of holes to weld. This whole inner sill pretty much, and this, which is the doors need to, oh my god, that's how much you can trust people these days. I know I shouldn't trust that, but this is just, even if I would look it up, everything's been lodged up. Somebody put some filler in just to cover a hole. Obviously with the use it started to come off, so that needs to be done. It's not a weekend's job, I'm sorry. So we're off to the Skoda, change oil on that, get the Skoda serviced, and this comes out, this goes back home, and plans have changed now. We'll see, never mind. Okay, as I said, I shall see you shortly, and this will be a couple of videos, I suppose. It's not going to be just one. Right, see you shortly, guys.